Hello, this is Victor Gawardi. I'm with WeInsure, and we're going to continue with the educational videos regarding homeowners insurance and how does your deductible affects the premium. And there's two kind of deductibles. One is the wind deductible, usually expressed as a percentage of the dwelling, and the other one, it's a flat deductible for all other perils, meaning anything that has nothing to do with wind, you will pay a deductible as a fixed amount, whether it's $500, $1,000, or $2,500, whatever you choose for your deductible. Now, keep in mind that for most policies, that is a per occurrence deductible, meaning every time you have a loss, you're going to pay that amount as a deductible. With the wind deductible, which is expressed as a percentage most of the time, it's for most policies, once a year deductible. And how does that affect your premium? Well, it is like a swing. Okay, so let's say the premiums, the higher the premium, the lower your deductible, and the other way around, right? So if you have a high deductible, the lower the premium. And it has an inverse relationship. And that's how you can guide yourself as to see why policy it's more expensive than the other if it's out of the same company, holding, of course, everything else constant. The deductibles will make a big impact in there. Now, one thing that you have to consider is on the wind deductibles. Usually, it's 2% for most policies. There are savings when you move to 5%. But then you have to consider the risk-reward scenario. Between 2% and 5%, people say, oh, it's only 3 percentage points. Well, in the case of a $300,000 home, at 2% deductible, it's $6,000. A 5% deductible is $15,000. How much are you saving to go from 2% to 5%? And does that risk-reward exchange make sense? So in this case, from going from $6,000 to $15,000, there is a $9,000 difference. How much are you saving? If you're saving, let's say, $1,000 in premiums, well, it will take 9 years of nothing occurring in order for you to make that money back, right? If you're only saving $500, it will take 18 years for you to recuperate that. So it's a thing that you have to consider before you make that choice. People just see, oh, it's 2% against 5%. Well, it's more than that. Convert it into real premium dollars for you to actually see the difference and compare whether it makes sense or not for you to move that into that scenario. Always please consult with your agent. If you would like us to review your policy, give us a call. Our number 305-228-7520, 305-228-7520, or you can visit our website, victorgawardi.com. And as always, please leave us a comment in the video notes. And if you would like to request any questions or any topics that you would like us to cover, please let us know. Victor Gawardi, WeInsure. Thank you.